I was sent this strapless adhesive bra. Let me show you what you get. So that's what's inside. I'm also gonna put it on and change my top to give you a full review of it, but I wanna show you the pieces first. So it comes in 2 pieces and it does have this little cover here. I got the size B, which would be true to my size. You also get some little nipple covers, so if you want a little more coverage, you have that option in there. And once you're done wearing it, you can wash it with just some mild soap and water, let it dry, put the cover back on so that it maintains that stickiness, and you should be able to wear these up to 10 times. When you're ready to take it off, it's really simple. You start by just undoing the little clasp, which is kind of pushing up and taking it off, and then it won't have the back on it, so you'll just be peeling it off. Peel it off. It doesn't leave any sort of sticky residue on you or anything like that. And then after you wash it and dry it, then you can go ahead and put that cover back on it so that you can use it again and again. All right, I'm gonna go put it on and I'll let you know what I think. Okay, I'm back and I chose a black shirt that's a little bit sheer because I wanted you to be able to see it under there. The stickiness is really good, at least the very first time you wear it. It's incredibly sticky. So I feel like the support is there. It looks good from the side, looks nice and natural. As far as the first impression, I'm really impressed so far. I love wearing off the shoulder tops, and it's really hard to find bras that stay up and still look good. I usually just do a nipple cover. So I like that this one gives me a little more full coverage, although being that it's a nude color, it doesn't quite work for this black top. But it's great to have under dresses and under backless tops and maybe some other off the shoulder tops.